Roast pumpkin and pesto spaghetti. Preheat the oven to 400 Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. Prepare the ingredients. Peel and cut one butternut pumpkin into small pieces. Spread onto a baking tray and season with salt and pepper. Place into a preheated oven. Finely chop 2 cups of spinach and set aside. Final preparation. Remove the leaves of a large handful of basil, measure 1 cup of pine nuts, crush 3 cloves of garlic, grate the skin of 1 lemon, place 1 teaspoon of nutritional yeast into a bowl, open 1 packet of wholemeal spaghetti. Add the spaghetti to rapidly boiling water and cook to make the pesto. Add the basil leaves and pine nuts to a food processor. Add the zest of 1 lemon. Add 3 cloves of crushed garlic. Add half a cup of water and blend to a smooth paste. Drain the spaghetti and mix with the pesto. Add the spinach and stir. Remove the pumpkin from the oven and mix through the spaghetti. Add nutritional yeast and salt to taste. Stir and serve.